It's that time of year again. The taxman cometh. Hello and welcome to Trucking Topics Today, where I provide information for your trucking journey. My name is Tony, and I am the host here on the channel. Hey, and by the way, everything Trucking Topics can be found at, you guessed it, truckingtopics.com. This is part one of a video series talking about your trucking business as it relates to income tax. In this video, we're going to talk about what to look for in choosing your tax preparer, the right tax preparer for your trucking business. But wait. I absolutely must do a giveaway. So let me think about this. How about we do access to my cell phone? Yeah, let's do access to my cell phone. I call that Tony time. If you want some Tony time, direct with me. Those details will be coming up, and we're going to offer that. Of course, hello, it's a giveaway for free. All right, details coming up. All right. By the way, I referenced this information from ATBS at atbs.com. There is a link to the article in the show notes below for your reference. Also, I want to let you know that ATBS is in no way sponsoring this video. Rather, I speak from personal experience with ATBS. If you're looking for some business tax information or assistance, please put ATBS on your list to consider them for your income tax needs. Now, you can reach them at 866-920-2827, or if you prefer to email them, you can email them at info@atbs.com. What should you be looking for in choosing your tax preparer professional? Thank you for that notification, by the way. More emails coming in. Appreciate your emails, you guys. Well, you want to know that you have found a good tax preparer who knows specifically about trucking taxes. You want to start this process early, like now, like yesterday. Okay. The closer you get to tax day, the harder it is going to be to find a quality tax preparer that knows about trucking taxes that will be able to service your income tax needs. All right. When you're trying to find this person, look for a firm that hires tax professionals who are designated as enrolled agents. If you've ever seen that EA at the end, it means enrolled agents at the end of their name. And also, of course, CPAs, certified public accountants. Now, these people are educated. They have to continue taking classes every year to keep their certifications up. They know what's going on. They will know trucking taxes, believe me. And they have the ability to handle complex issues. Now, they also have unlimited representation before the IRS for any of your tax needs. Now, this is important, guys. Here's another item. A good tax preparer will ask for all of your W-2s, your 1099s, your 1098s, all of those forms, as well as other records and receipts to verify your income, your expenses, and your credits. Now, preparers who are willing to e-file returns using pay stubs in place of W-2s are in direct violation of IRS rules and regulations. And at that point, you should turn around and walk away. All right. What is the availability of the preparer? This is something else you need to look for, because the IRS and most states conduct audits and send letters of inquiry all year long. So it is best to find a tax preparer who maintains office hours and has a location beyond the April 15th deadline, or in case of this year, I believe it's April 18th. Well, you want to make sure you can get a hold of them after tax day so that they can be available to answer your questions or assist with any tax return correspondence. Look, you guys, This is not a regular tax return. Okay, not only is it a business tax return, whether you're a sole proprietor, a C Corp, an LLC, an S Corp, this is a business and it's a complex tax business. You need help, especially your first year. Get off on the right foot, especially in your first year. I'm going to say that the next thing that is very important, and maybe probably the most important, is that you need to be concerned about the security and confidentiality of your information. Don't ever hesitate to ask a preparer how they safeguard your client confidentiality and security in the form of your physical papers that you give them and electronically. Are they storing this stuff on their computer, their home computer, or even if it's their business computer? What kind of security do they have that will ensure that your information will not be compromised? Do they put the paper copies that you've brought to them to prepare your return? Are they just putting it in a file and then putting in some kind of file organizer on their desk? Or is it secured somehow? You need to look. You guys hear it almost every day. You need to be concerned about your confidentiality and security of your information. If you don't like their answer for any reason, it's time to about face and walk out. Look, you guys, especially those of you in your first year of business, and man, have I helped a lot of you in 2021. This is your first tax return. This is your first trucking tax return. And even if it isn't, this is important stuff. But being that many of my subscribers are in their first year, if you need help managing your taxes, I would strongly advise you to consider hiring ATBS to help you out. Now, why would I say that? They have been in the industry for more than 20 years and are the experts in trucking taxes. They have other services for you too. They offer accounting, bookkeeping, which I'm going to talk about in another video. Their bookkeeping service is really pretty cool. And of course, their tax preparation, and it's specifically for truck drivers. Okay, yeah, they do other tax returns, but this is a company geared towards truck drivers. And remember that I speak from experience regarding this recommendation that I have from you. Most of you know who have seen my videos before, I tell you that I don't talk about things that I don't know about. What is it I tell my wife all the time? I said, baby, you understand I know a little about a lot of things. Okay. I like to say that. I know a little about a lot of things. I'm an expert in very few areas. So I say all that to say is that I speak from experience, and I gain nothing by telling you to get in contact with them. I gain everything by your being satisfied with their service. Okay? Now, if you subscribe to the channel by hitting that little subscribe button and hit that notification bell, then you're going to be notified of more trucking tax videos that I am going to be putting out over the next few days and weeks. All right, so hit that subscribe button if you'd like to be notified about those videos when they drop. So, would you like a chance to get access to my cell phone for some Tony time? By the way, I got to tell you about the Tony time. The Tony time came from a subscriber, actually. Hello, Houston. Not the city, the person. Houston, we talked so much in the beginning of his journey, and actually we still do. He called his time with me Tony time, so I had to get the domain. So if you would like some Tony time, then it's simple. First, and only if you liked this video, I ask for a thumbs up on the video. It is not a requirement. Only if you liked it, because it really helps the channel proceed along in the YouTube metrics, okay? And it's a free way for you to support the channel. Second, tell me in the comments below how long you have been in business. I'm very curious about who watches the videos. So tell me how long you've been in business, and while you're there, if you have any questions, ask away. If I don't know the answer, I'm going to tell you right there in the comments, I'm sorry, man, I can't help you. Or maybe I'll redirect you to somebody or some place or some location that can. All right. Now, you're not a winner. By the way, I'm going to pick 2 people. So if you're not a winner, Tony Time is available to you at tonytime.co. we are done.